So, good morning, Chan, everyone. I am Ruhani I. Ibad. My course is Business Administration, major in Human Resources Management. So, administrative office management refers to the process of overseeing and coordinating various tasks and operating within an office settings. It involves planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling the resources of the organization to achieve its goals effectively and efficiently. Number two, the main function of administrative management is to ensure the administrative tasks and operation of an organization are um, carried out smoothly and efficiently. So this includes coordinating activities, managing resources. The difference between primary reference sources and secondary reference sources lies in their originality and proximity to the original sources of information. So primary reference sources are original materials or first-hand accounts, um, while secondary reference sources analyze, interpret, or summarize primary sources. So primary sources are usually more reliable and reliable secondary sources. The head of administration to manage the office to be considered the best with the best managed, I would focus on several case areas. Number one is implementing efficient communication channels to ensure clear and effective communication within the office. So, ang number two is establishing clear goals and objectives for the office and regularly monitoring progress towards achieving them. So, ang number three is providing adequate training and development of opportunities for uh, staff and opportunities to staff to enhance their skills and capabilities. So number five is creating a positive work environment that promotes teamwork, collaboration, and employees' well-being.
Thank you for watching my video presentation. Again, I am Rohani Ipad and this is your presenter.